Welcome back, English learners. You're listening to the English Podcast. Welcome back, English learners. I'm Miko, Jessica. And I'm Clara. How are you? Let's go. I'm feeling really good, excited for today, our topics, health and sports. Let's learn and play.
Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Read, Learn, and Listen. We are very happy you are here today.
On this channel, we help you to practice English with easy conversations.
You can listen to us, you can repeat after us, and you can also write your answers in the comments.
Step by step, your English will become stronger and better.
Yes, welcome back, everyone.
Today, we have something very special for you.
We will talk together for a long time, about 20 minutes.
This means you will get a lot of listening practice, a lot of reading practice, and also speaking practice if you repeat after us.
We will cover many different topics from daily life.
You will learn new words, simple sentences, and you will also hear many questions.
You can answer the questions aloud or write them in the comments.
So let's start together.
Take your tea, coffee, or water, sit in a comfortable place, and enjoy this long lesson with us.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Let's begin with something simple and important, our daily routine.
Tell me, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning on weekdays because I need to go to work.
But on weekends, I sometimes wake up later, maybe at 8 or even 9 o'clock, because I like to rest more.
What about you?
I usually wake up early, around 6 o'clock every day, because I enjoy having a quiet morning.
I like to have time to prepare slowly, drink water, and think about my day.
That sounds very healthy.
So after you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I wash my face and brush my teeth carefully.
Then I drink a big glass of water because I think water gives me energy.
After that, I prepare breakfast.
That's good. For me, after brushing my teeth, I usually make coffee because I feel sleepy and coffee helps me to wake up.
Then, I also prepare a small breakfast.
Do you always eat breakfast?
Not always. Sometimes when I am in a hurry, I only drink coffee.
But I know breakfast is important, so I try to eat at least something small like fruit or bread.
Yes, breakfast gives us energy for the whole day.
I always try to eat something like eggs, bread, or fruit.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Repeat after me. I brush my teeth in the morning.
Repeat after me. I eat breakfast every day.
Now it's your turn, dear listeners.
What time do you wake up?
Do you eat breakfast every day?
You can say it aloud or write it in the comments.
Now let's talk about food and cooking because food is very important in our lives.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice with chicken and vegetables.
I like it because it is tasty, healthy, and it gives me energy.
What about you?
I love pasta.
I can eat pasta with tomato sauce, with cheese, or with vegetables.
It is simple to cook and always delicious.
Yes, pasta is very popular.
Do you like cooking at home?
Yes, I sometimes cook.
I am not a professional, but I can make simple dishes like soup, pasta, or salad.
That's good.
I cook almost every day because I enjoy trying new recipes.
Sometimes I cook traditional food, and sometimes I try food from other countries.
That sounds fun.
Cooking at home is healthier and also cheaper than eating outside.
Repeat after me. I like pasta with tomato sauce.
Repeat after me. I cook at home every day.
Repeat after me. My favorite food is rice with chicken.
Now it's your turn, dear friends.
What is your favorite food?
Do you like cooking?
Please tell us in the comments.
Now let's talk about school and work.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
I work in an office and I use a computer every day.
Sometimes it is difficult, but I learn many things.
That's great.
I am still a student.
I go to school in the morning and I study English and German.
That's very nice.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, I do.
Learning languages is not easy, but it is very useful.
I like my teachers and classmates.
Practice section.
Repeat after me. I go to school every morning.
Repeat after me. I work in an office.
Repeat after me. I like my job.
And now, dear listeners, tell us, do you go to school or do you work?
Do you like it?
Family and friends are very important.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and my brother.
We eat together and spend time together in the evening.
That's nice.
I live with my family too, and I enjoy talking with them after dinner.
Do you see your friends often?
Yes, I meet my friends once or twice a week.
We drink tea and talk.
I also meet my friends often.
We sometimes play games or watch movies together.
Practice section of
Repeat after me. I love my family.
Repeat after me. I meet my friends once a week.
Repeat after me. Family and friends are important.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping, but I don't go often.
I usually buy clothes, shoes, or food.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually go to the supermarket for food, and I go to the market or shops for clothes.
I also like going to the supermarket.
It is big and has many things.
Practice section.
Repeat after me. I go shopping once a week.
Repeat after me. I buy clothes at the shop.
Repeat after me. I buy food at the supermarket.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
I like to visit new places, meet new people, and try new food.
That sounds great.
Where have you traveled?
I have traveled to a few cities in my country.
I would like to travel abroad in the future.
Me too.
I want to see many countries like Germany, Turkey, or Japan.
Practice section of
Repeat after me. I like to travel.
Repeat after me. I want to visit new places.
Repeat after me. Traveling is fun.
Do you do exercise?
Yes, I sometimes go for a walk or do some running.
It makes me feel strong and healthy.
That's good.
I also do exercise.
I like playing football with my friends.
Sport is good for health.
We should all do some exercise every day.
Practice section.
Repeat after me. I walk every day.
Repeat after me. I play football with my friends.
Repeat after me. Exercise is good for health.
What is your favorite season?
I like spring because the weather is nice and flowers are beautiful.
I like summer because I can go outside and enjoy the sun.
Do you like winter?
Winter is cold, but I like snow.
Practice section.
Repeat after me. I like sunny weather.
Repeat after me. Spring is my favorite season.
Repeat after me. Winter is cold but beautiful.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
I enjoy sitting in a quiet place and reading interesting stories.
That's nice.
I like listening to music.
Music makes me feel happy.
I also like music.
Sometimes I listen when I cook or clean.
Practice section.
Repeat after me. I like reading books.
Repeat after me. I listen to music in my free time.
Repeat after me. Hobbies make life fun.
Let's talk about technology because technology is part of our daily life.
Do you use a smartphone every day?
I use my smartphone every day.
I use it to call my family, to send messages to my friends, and to check social media.
I also use my smartphone every day, but I try not to use it too much because I want to spend more time with people face to face.
That's a good idea. Sometimes people use their phones too much, and they forget to talk to the people around them.
Now, dear listeners, tell us, do you use your smartphone a lot?
What do you use it for?
Now let's talk about holidays and celebrations.
Do you celebrate special days with your family?
Yes, I do. We celebrate birthdays, New Year, and some traditional holidays.
We eat together, play music, and enjoy time as a family.
In my family, birthdays are very important. We make a cake, we sing, and we give presents. It is always a happy day.
That sounds wonderful. Celebrations bring people closer together.
And now, dear listeners, tell us, what holidays do you celebrate?
What is your favorite celebration?
Another important topic is nature.
Do you like going outside into nature?
Yes, I love it. I like walking in the park, going to the mountains, and breathing fresh air.
I also love nature. I like sitting near a river or walking in the forest. Nature makes me feel calm and peaceful.
Yes, nature is good for the heart and mind. We should all take time to enjoy it.
And you, dear listeners, do you enjoy nature?
Where do you go when you want to relax?
Let's talk about the future.
Okay, sounds good.
What is your dream?
My dream is to travel to many countries and learn new languages.
That's wonderful.
My dream is to become a teacher and help people learn English.
Dreams are important because they give us hope. Practice section. Repeat after me. My dream is to travel the world. Repeat after me. My dream is to become a teacher. Repeat after me. Dreams give us hope.
Wow, dear friends. Today, we had a very long conversation.
We talked for about 100 minutes together.
We covered many topics. daily routine, food, school, family, shopping, travel, health, weather, hobbies, and dreams.
Yes, it was a long journey, and we are so happy you stayed with us until the end.
Remember, you can listen to this video many times, you can repeat the sentences, and you can write your answers in the comments.
Step by step, you will see your English become better.
Thank you very much for joining us today on Read, Learn, and Listen.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations.
Both together.
Goodbye, dear friends, and see you very soon in the next lesson.
Thank you for listening to English Podcast. Subscribe and join us next time. Don't stop. Stay healthy, stay active, keep learning every day.